Hi, hello and namaste to all of you. Welcome back to my channel Actual English here. Here we are going to discuss regarding the topic of paper first UGC NET, the teaching aptitude, the unit teaching aptitude, which majorly focuses here regarding two concepts we are going to discuss in this video. So in our previous video, as we discussed, there are three levels of teaching or receptive levels of teaching. First one is student learning characteristics. Those are, so the first one is reflective, second one is understanding, the third one is memory. Means the first one actually is the memory, means as we go from descending to ascending, then the first one comes memory, second one is understanding, third one is reflective. So here regarding that only, this is teaching aptitude. So here there are two concepts. First one is inductive, second one is deductive. So the first one, inductive and deductive, these both are little bit, I cannot say like these are complicated and tricky, but I say in memorization we have to do like this. As per my opinion, I am doing like this, so I suggest you to do like this, which will remain long lasting in our memory. So for example, what is inductive and what is deductive? For example, inductive here is which specifically focuses from specific to general. Means first particular, moving from particular to general we move, that level of teaching is called as inductive. And the second one is deductive. Opposite to inductive is called deductive. Deductive means where from, means the topic which starts, means the teaching which starts from general and slowly that moves to the specific or to the particular, that is called as the deductive. For example, to avoid this confusion, I say inductive means specific to general, deductive means general to specific. So inductive specific to general means what? Means give example first. Okay, give examples first, then make them understand with the rules. Means first examples, then rules. Examples, for example, I say the tense. Okay, the example of tense I can say simple present tense. Without formula, with the example we will move, because here this is inductive, the inductive which works with the example then rules. So the example first is simple present tense, Ram eats fruit. Okay, Ram eats fruit. So here this is example, but the rules comes later, that is called as the inductive. And the deductive, with the same example we will try to understand it. So the deductive which follows the general to specific. So here means give the rules first, then make them understand the examples. For example, that is called as deductive. For example, the same example, Ram eats fruit, that is the example of inductive. So here the rule applies in the deductive first, because general to specific. So here general is formula or the structure. The structure is simple present tense structure is subject plus V1 plus S oblique ES plus object. So here this formula which is applied to construct the sentence, that is called as the general to specific. So here general becomes the formula of the simple present tense, that is subject plus V1 plus S oblique ES plus object. So here the Ram eats fruit is the suitable example for this structure, that is called as the deductive method. I hope you understood the deductive method and the inductive method. So the inductive is specific to general, the deductive is general to specific. I hope you understood and thank you so much. If you didn't understand yet, if you didn't understand yet, then go back to the video, you will understand clearly. If you haven't understood yet, or if you will not be understood still, then you are free to, you can feel free to approach me at any time. I will be there for you. Okay, thank you so much. I will stop here. Thank you very much. Namaste.